More than 100,000 square meters factory, 12 advanced aluminum composite panel production line, more than 1,000 senior management, design and development and production personnel, 400,000 performance test, 76 test procedure. A high-quality product was born. First-class technology to create first-class quality. Small quality. Aluminum Composite Panel is made of aluminum and plastic core composite material. Density is relatively small and lightweight than other decoration materials. Reduce the material weight burden. Convenient construction. Greatly shorten the construction period. Good rigidity. The use of aluminum composite panel steel structure principle. With its unique mechanical properties, the elastic limit is larger, not easy deformation, can keep good performance level. Rich color, strong decorative. Aluminum composite panel drawing level rich colors and different design patterns to meet the needs of different environment. In the sun, its level is both gorgeous and solemn, while avoiding the light pollution. Super weather experience. PVDF fluorocarbon paint based on Kynar 500 is adopted, which has excellent anti-ultraviolet and anti-pollution performance. The test results show that it cannot be used for 20 years without fading. Easy processing. Aluminum composite panel cutting, easy to cut. Dig ditches bent into arc, rectangular shapes, can cooperate fully with the decoration, design various other changes. Fire performance is good. In the series of aluminum composite panel, Aluminum Composite Panel adopts the fireproof core material of new research and development. The core materials filled with non-combustible inorganic filler, fire resistance to meet international standards. Good environmental compatibility. Waste aluminum composite panel in aluminum and plastic core material can be recycled 100%. Low environmental load. In addition, super weatherability aluminum composite panel also reduces the whole life cycle cost.